Frustrated with faulty electronics, or wasting time guessing which component is bad? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best ESR meters that can make testing capacitors and other components faster, easier, and way more accurate. From precision to ease of use, I'll show you what makes each model stand out. And yes, I'll be upfront about the pros and cons. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Overall best pick. DROK Transistor Tester LCR Meter. The DROK Transistor Tester LCR Meter is a compact, all-in-one diagnostic tool that impressively identifies NPN/PNP transistors, diodes, MOSFETs, resistors, capacitors, inductors, and even measures ESR, all with fast, automated readings. Its bright LCD and intuitive menu make navigating through measurements surprisingly easy, especially for beginners and hobbyists. The USB power design keeps it lightweight and portable without sacrificing performance. However, its small test sockets can be finicky with larger components and sometimes require multiple attempts for accurate readings. Overall, it's a versatile, affordable tester that simplifies electronics troubleshooting. Just be patient with fit adjustments. Number 2. My second best pick, Signstek Digital Clamp Meter. The Signstek Digital Clamp Meter is a compact and versatile tool ideal for DIYers and electricians alike. It handles a wide range of measurements, AC, DC current, up to 600A, voltage, resistance, capacitance, temperature, diodes, and continuity, with reliable true RMS accuracy and helpful modes like NCV, Low Z, and VFD for better precision. A bright backlit display and built-in LED flashlight make working in tight or dim areas easier. It's also built tough and comes with 24-month support. On the downside, the small clamp opening, around 35 millimeters, may be limiting on thicker cables. Overall, a solid value for multifunction testing. Number 3. My third best pick, Signstek Auto Ranging and Circuit ESR Meter. The Signstek MESR 100V2 is a reliable ESR meter for quickly diagnosing capacitor health without desoldering. Its auto-ranging function and clear digital display make it simple to use, even for beginners. It measures from 0.01 to 100 ohms with good accuracy, helping to spot failing components fast. The built-in protection is a plus, reducing the risk of accidental damage during testing. However, the plastic build feels a bit lightweight and may not handle rough workshop conditions well. Overall, it's a practical, efficient tool for electronics repair and troubleshooting, especially for anyone working with TVs, power supplies, or other capacitor-heavy devices. Number 4. My fourth best pick, FNIRSI LCR P1 Transistor Tester. The FNIRSI LCR P1 is a compact and versatile tool that makes testing components, like MOSFETs, NPN/PNP transistors, diodes, capacitors, and inductors, fast and straightforward. The auto-detect feature is incredibly handy. Just plug in your component and get immediate readings. Its clear display and simple button layout keep things intuitive, even for beginners. Plus, it's great for checking SMD parts and small batteries. One downside: the small test ports can feel cramped when working with larger or oddly shaped components, and delicate leads need careful insertion. Overall, it's a reliable, budget-friendly addition to any electronics toolkit. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Dymore LCR Meter Transistor Tester. The Dymore LCR TC1 is a sleek, full-color component tester that makes diagnosing electronics effortless. It automatically detects and identifies NPN/PNP transistors, diodes, triodes, capacitors, inductors, and even measures ESR, all with crisp, intuitive screen visuals. Powered via USB, it's both compact and portable, perfect for hobbyists, makers, or students. The automatic detection means you just plug in a part and get instant, accurate readings. My only gripe is that the small test ports can be fiddly with larger components, and the display might be hard to read under bright light. Overall, it's a stylish, budget-friendly addition to any toolkit. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite ESR meter? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.